the sweat here from his jacket and a line of question.
Oh my gosh!
Yes,
No, you're confident.
There's a lot of work to be done, but thankfully about 6 weeks ago, the team at Tennis Jamaica set our timelines. We haven't missed any of them thus far. So there's a lot of work still to be done, but I have little doubt that we're going to execute well. We're going to be on time, and I think I'm not expecting any surprises. So the ITF officials come in next week. They have their inspections. We know what has to be completed by what time. And again, while there is a lot of work to be done, I would say that the team here is up to it, and we are going to be, we are on track, and we will be complete well in advance of February 4 and 5.
The other team, as John alluded to, is coming in the next couple of days. And we've been keeping a close track on what their players have been doing, and they're readying themselves also. So this is going to be an epic battle, which I'm pretty confident that, well, I know that we're going to do our best, and we have fielded the best team, and I'm hoping to come out on top.
It being dubbed a first-class production, it's no wonder. First-class brand has to be there. So when John called me and said it's going to happen, and this is what it is about, everything was pretty much laid out, and just as he said, it's international standard. So when you talk about the entry, the logistics, the whole flow, we have it right here, and we're just encouraging everyone. And I know tickets are going out, I know that the flyers are going around, because I've actually seen it in 2 different groups that I'm in. And when I saw it, I was like, oh wow, John, this has legs. We only just spoke about it yesterday.
Your thoughts? Last time we spoke, I came here and visited, did a story on this, on the venue and what you've been doing. Where are you right now?
Right now we are like 90%. We finish everything. Like if you see now, if you come at night, everything, we have the net, the center court will be with banners around. We have like teams make the gates there and everybody work. I think we are, today at night, we'll finish everything.
Okay, great. How are the logistics going regarding your other areas of the venue?
The locker room was great. We prepared the parking. Now, if you see the light on court 3, we had last night at the court, we have like average 800 lights over when they want 500, we have 800. Lockers room are okay, parking okay, print okay, everything now is going quickly.